Say good morning. Hi. It's snowing outside. I thought for sure the snow would be gone, but we're getting more, so hopefully it's not going to be too bad around 1 o'clock, because that's when I'm going to be driving to Aiden's godmother's house, because today is her birthday. So shout out to Abby, happy birthday, and Aiden, love you, and we can't wait to see you today. So I'm going to go to the bathroom, and Monkey Butt's going to play with his cars. We're eating our breakfast, aren't we? Aiden's got apple, pancake, Cheerios, and like a toaster waffle because he was so impatient. He couldn't wait for all his pancake. So now he's munching and he's waiting for some blueberries once he eats that. And I got my pancakes here and we're gonna eat. Oh, Bubba. Aiden just had a morning bath. Okay. He's like, let me unwrap, Mom. This is what we do to soak up his lotion. But he just had a morning bath because he got really messy with his blueberries. But, oh God. So, I'm going to get him dressed. Hi, everyone. So, Aiden is taking a nap right now. I just folded my dark load. I have another dark load to do and a light load, and I need to shower and get ready to go to his godmother's birthday party. And so I'm gonna put this laundry away and then get in the shower while my dark load's in the wash. So I'll see you guys when Aiden woke up. Yay! You ready? He had a good nap. It was like 2 hours, I think. But I just gotta get dressed and I'm gonna change Aiden into his outfit. And then I'm gonna look on Google for like better directions to get to his godmother's house. And then I think we're gonna go so we can get there early so she can have some extra time with us, because we're gonna leave earlier than everybody else. So we'll see you guys in a bit. He loves this camera. The fact that I'm filming him. He always smiles right away. Aiden's eating a pancake, a cutie, and he just finished his banana for some lunch before we go to his godmother's house. And my Vlogmas Day 13 just uploaded. I'm so happy. So we will see you guys when we're with his godmother. We are on our way to Aiden's godmother's birthday party. It's not a birthday party, it's like a get-together for a 17-year-old. So I will talk to you guys when we're here.